Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Apple Watch and iPhone are updated and paired. This ensures compatibility. Next, open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Wallet and Apple Pay to add a card. When prompted, follow the camera or manual entry and authenticate with the bank, often a text code or bank app approval. Once added, the watch stores a secure token. This is why you don't share card numbers directly, and you're now ready to proceed to activate. Once the card is on your watch, enable wrist detection and set a watch passcode so payments remain secure if lost. To pay, double-click the side button to summon Apple Pay. You'll see your default card. Hold the watch face within a few centimeters of the contactless reader and keep your wrist steady until you feel a subtle tap or hear the chime. This confirms payment. Make sure to switch cards by swiping if needed. This sequence keeps transactions fast and safe. Finish by checking the transaction in Wallet and your bank app to confirm the amount and merchant. Receipts often appear instantly. If a payment fails, first remove and re-add the card in the Watch app to renew the token and bank verification. If issues persist, restart both devices, confirm NFC is functioning and region/contactless payments are enabled, and ensure the watch is unlocked on your wrist. If the reader rejects the watch, try a different terminal. Sometimes terminals vary in sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.